Hey guys, here today with the 2023 Toyota Prius Prime, and this video is the 25,000 mile year and a half update for owning the Prime. So let's get into it. Hey guys, so I'm at just shy of 25,000 miles, and I decided to bring the car in for the complimentary 25,000 mile service. So Toyota basically offers, when you buy the car brand new from this dealership, they offer 5,000 mile services. Basically each 5,000 mile, every 5,000 miles reversed is a tire rotation and fluid check, and basically they just go through the car just to make sure everything's working. There's no major services. 10,000 miles, they do all of that with an oil change. So every 10,000 is the oil change. Honestly, one of the things I would like to do, probably once I get out of the 25,000 mile range or 30,000 mile, I'm probably going to start changing the oil every 5,000. This is something, want to give a shout out to the Car Care Net channel. This is something that I think could greatly extend the life of the car. In his channel, he actually recommends doing the oil changes at every 5,000 just to preserve the life of the engine. But anyway, so I brought in the car for the 25,000 mile service, and it literally was just checking the fluids, brakes, and doing the standard tire rotation. But one of the other reasons why I brought in the car, and actually why I brought it in a little bit before the 25,000 miles, was there was a service campaign, and I'll show you that, guy. I'll show you that in a second. So guys, I was looking at the Toyota app. I actually used that to basically look at the car pretty much routinely. I look, and it's actually interesting. It'll actually tell you, just so you know, if the car has your doors or windows open. It'll actually, it does update every so often. So let's say if you open your hood or you leave your windows open, it'll actually show you that it does take probably several minutes to update, and you have to do a refresh. But believe me, it does work, and it will show your tire pressures as well. So reviewing the app, and actually sometimes you'll see like a little red dot when you forget to unlock the doors. So it will actually show you if your doors are not locked. So as I was looking through the app, I noticed like this little, I don't know if you guys can see that, this little red dot in the health area. So I clicked in, and turned out it was a service campaign that came up this week for the car. And what it is, I guess there's an issue with the vapor leak detection. So what happens is, due to the gas cap on the car, it won't necessarily detect the vapor leak as it should, and it won't trip off the malfunction indicator light or mill light. So it basically goes into, it's a very brief description, and it looks like it actually not only affects the Prius Prime, but it also affects the 2023 Prius and the 23 and 24 Corolla HV, or hybrid vehicle. So on my car, I thought, like I said, reading this, I thought I'm going to have a fuel tank clamp installed. Well, when I went to the dealership, all it was a software update. And the only weird thing that I noticed is, after I did the update, it looked like my remaining miles jumped up like about 25 miles. But other than that, I really didn't notice much of anything. It was pretty straightforward. So guys, one of the other things I wanted to update you on is two things I've started using, was the windshield heating element here, and the steering wheel heating system. And actually that helped a great deal with the winter weather that we've been having. It definitely helped defrost and keep the windshield clear, along with the regular defroster. And it also, the heated steering wheel feature actually does work, so that was actually pretty neat. So guys, another tip that I discovered at pretty much at the 25,000 mile, having the car for over a year and a half, was the connected services. It's definitely, if you don't want to use Apple CarPlay, and one of the things I found is Apple CarPlay, depending on your wireless service, tends to drop in and out. So if you have a connected services description, one of the cool things is you can put in your routes, and the other cool thing is you can call, and I use this, you can call Destination Assist, and actually it doesn't matter if you have your phone or not, it will actually work. It will actually dial them, you can call them, and you can ask for local hotels, or if you're looking for restaurants in a particular area, if you need help, or let's say with anything on the car, they are a resource that you can call to ask. Let's say you're trying to do something. I was trying to set something on my destinations, and they will actually help you and take you through the Toyota app. So definitely a good resource if you guys have connected services. So guys, I want to thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Really appreciate folks that do subscribe and comment. I enjoy making the videos. I'm not, like I said, I'm not monetized. I do this, I do enjoy making them, and I love your comments. And when folks say that they found them helpful, or they used it to make their decision, or they were trying to learn about the cars, they recently purchased it, I really do appreciate that. Anyway, thanks again for watching. Stay safe, and happy 2025, guys. Take care.